BJP youth wing leader Pamela Goswami has been arrested for carrying 100 grams of cocaine. She was taken into custody on Friday for possessing the contraband worth lakhs found in her purse and under the seat of her car she was in. In fact, her friend Prabir Dey was also arrested. According to police sources, Pamela and Prabir have been involved in drug trafficking for quite a long time now. They were arrested after receiving information from credible sources. Now, police also revealed that Pamela would often stop at a particular spot, and after observing her movement, she was finally arrested. Meanwhile, while being presented in court, Pamela has now cried conspiracy, demanding CID probe into this case here. She's in fact demanded the arrest of BJP leader Rakesh Singh, who recently joined the BJP. Opposition Congress now launches an all-out attack on the BJP and central agencies. Congress leader Shama Mohammed saying that BJP unleashed NCB after Riya Chakravarti was allegedly smoking a small quantity of marijuana. She even said that now the entire country is waiting for the NCB to file a case against Pamela.
जो हो रहा है इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? आपकी बेटी के खिलाफ जो एलिगेशंस है उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ওকে ফাঁসানো হয়েছে, বারবার এক কথাই বলছি, ওকে ফাঁসানো হয়েছে।
আপনি এটা কেন মনে করেন যে ফাঁসানো হয়েছে?
আমার মেয়ে অনেক ভালো, আমি তো মা, আমি তো ভালো বুঝবো।
Well, the law of the land applies equally to everybody. The investigation will reveal what is real and what is not. Our state president, Dilip Ghosh, will make an appropriate decision at the right time.
It appears to be a case of internal factionalism. Pamela is making charges against certain internal people itself. Internal factionalism, do you think?
Our state president, Dilip Da, will comment on this issue. Like I said, the law of the land applies to everybody equally. Thank you.
You don't see a political conspiracy? Do you see a political conspiracy?
Well, investigation will reveal everything. Our state president, Dilip Da, is more aware of the matters of this particular case. He is better equipped to inform and comment on this.
আমরা আগেও অনেকবার দেখেছি যে রাজ্য পুলিশ নানা রকমভাবে বিজেপিকে রোকার জন্য তারা কখনো অস্ত্র কেস দিয়েছে, কখনো গাজার কেস দিয়েছে, নানা রকম কিছু দিয়েছে। এটা হতে পারে পুরোপুরিভাবে একটা প্ল্যান্টেড করা হয়েছে একটা স্টোরিটাকে, পুরোপুরিভাবে আগে থেকে জিনিসটাকে ঠিক করা হয়েছে। ওইটুকু একটা বাচ্চা মেয়ে এ ধরনের জিনিস কখনোই করতে পারে না। তো বিষয়টা আমরা দেখি, আমরা কথা বলি, তারপর জানাবো।
আরও ওদের অনেকেই অনেক কিছু ধরা পড়বে, আপনারা দেখতে থাকুন। আমরা তো বলেছি বিজেপি যাদেরকে নিয়ে চলছে, বিজেপি এর থেকে বেশি আর কিছু হবে না। বাংলায় মমতা ব্যানার্জি আছেন, মমতা ব্যানার্জি থাকবে। আর যাদের কথা আপনি বললেন, আমি তো কারোর নাম উচ্চারণ করছি না, আরও ঘটনা আপনারা দেখতে পাবেন যারা এই সমস্ত কাজের সঙ্গে যুক্ত আছে। আপনারাই দেখবেন, আপনারাই বলবেন। আর আমরা বলছি, আমরা মানুষের উপর আমাদের বিশ্বাস আছে, আমাদের কাজ আমরা করব।
All right, we have Prema Rajaram joining us for more details on that. Prema, if you could give us a glimpse into what exactly went behind the arrest, what were the really credible leads that the police had to crack her down and arrest her? Step by step, if you can take us through.
Well, Nabila, there are various facets to the case, but we first start with the investigation part of it. When it comes to the police cracking down on Pamela Goswami and her friend Prabir Kumar Dey, they were both nabbed on Friday evening from New Alipur area outside a cafe, and when they searched Pamela's car, they found cocaine to the tune of close to 100 grams, and the cocaine was found on the car seat as well as in her bag. After that, and what the police say is that they had prior information. Based on prior information is the reason why they nabbed Pamela, and they have also nabbed a third person in this case. The BJP, of course, is crying foul because she is a youth leader, a Yuva Morcha leader, and they're saying that let the law take its own course. But if Pamela is found guilty, then of course law will take its own course. But if she is being falsely inculpated, the BJP will fight back. The Trinamool Congress this, as we heard Sujit Bose saying, that there will be a lot more things that will be revealed about the BJP and the party. When we spoke to the BJP legal team, which was here at the court a short while ago, they said they're not being allowed to meet Pamela, who is inside court at this point in time. She's not yet been produced in court, but again, they're smelling a political conspiracy. Back to you, Nabila.
Right, Prema, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Now, we do know elections in West Bengal is round the corner. The fight between the BJP and TMC over Tollywood has now spiced up. A host of actors of Bengali cinema and television industry have now joined the BJP in the last 1 week. These include popular actors Yash Das Gupta, Hiran Chatterjee, Papia Adhikari and Somili Ghosh Biswas, who are among the several others. In fact, not just this, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's meeting with the actor and former TMC MP Mithun Chakravarti and BJP leader Anirban Ganguly's meeting with the actor Prasenjit have now set tongues wagging. This despite both actors denying claim of joining the BJP. Now, a battery of TV and film stars, meanwhile, have joined the Trinamool Congress. These include veteran actor Deepankar De, Khaushani Mukherjee, Bharat Kaul and Ronita Das. So far, the Trinamool Congress has maintained its hold over the entertainment industry, but now it seems like the BJP has been trying to reach out to actors in hopes of breaking Mamta's support ahead of polls.
The Bharatiya Janata Party, I always feel that this party is a party that believes in the youth, firstly, and that it always chooses performance over dynasty. I was never part of the TMC. It was not like I was a part of the TMC or I wanted to join the party or something like that. I was very clear in my mind about my ideologies and the party that I believed in. And going by my ideology, I don't see any issue why any other party should have issues. We are friends from the industry. We are not political friends. So this is a separate thing. And you know, when the right time comes and on the right platform, if our ideologies don't match, we'll fight there. Not we don't need to fight 24/7 for that. So I think it is my career choice, and it is about my ideology, and I can't be manipulated by someone else to join some other party. And I'm not playing I'm not trying to put in any allegation here. I think it's my personal call, and I think I see a lot of betterment in our society, in our state, by holding the hands of BJP.
টলিউডে একের পর এক বিজেপি প্রভাবিত হচ্ছে, কি বলবো?
টলিউডের আমিও সদস্য, কিন্তু আমি তো অল ইন্ডিয়া তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের সাংসদ। আমি শুধু নিজের দলের নিয়ে বলতে পারি, যারা যাচ্ছে তারা যাক, আর যারা আমরা নিজেদের কর্তব্য, নিজেদের লয়্যালটি, আমরা নিজেদের কাজ পালন করছি। যারা দিদিকে ভালোবাসে তারা চিরকাল দিদির জন্যই দাঁড়াবে।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.